Curacao, where the waters are beautiful and the buildings are full of color. As we made our way to our first stop, the bus tour was very informative with the history of Curacao. We were able to see the streets of Curacao, the mountains of Curacao, and old buildings of Curacao. At Playa Grande, you can encounter the sea turtles close up and snorkel right next to them. The tiny fisherman's beach is also popular for snorkeling and diving and has some great photo ops of the boats and nets underneath the water. Playa Grande is near the town of West Point in Curacao. It is covered with beautiful fields of corals and gorgonians. The beach features snappers, trumpetfish, and turtles, which are permanent residents there. This excursion is not handicap accessible, as the stairs going down to the waters are very steep and the sand and rocks are uneven. Now it's time to visit the Shetty Boca National Park. Boca means inlet, and this park has 7 inlets. Shetty Boca Park was established as a protected area in 1994 to preserve these nesting areas for sea turtles. Most guests start at Boca Wandami, where there are 2 lookout points to see a natural bridge carved into the limestone cliffs. One has a great vantage point from above, while the other heads down to eye level. The powerful nature at Boca Tabla has forceful waves that relentlessly pummel the cliffs, shooting the surf up to 40 feet high. These bays were shaped by rainwater from the surrounding hills and nearby Kristinoff Mountain. Shetty Boca is about 45 minutes north of Williamsted. Off of one of the paths, there is an entrance to a cave where visitors can head under the cliff for a unique view. Here is an historic old church. As you notice that the people are buried above ground. And Curacao has its own Willywood sign. One of the oldest land houses on the island is Jan Cock, an old plantation house. It was built in 1840 The 18th century slave master Jan Kock was infamous for his cruelty. Many people on the island still believe that his bad spirits haunt the house. From the terrace, there's a view of the salt flats of the St. Marie Bay, where nowadays flocks of flamingos brighten the landscape. The plantation is 345 hectares in size, was mainly a salt plantation, although farming and cattle breeding took place as well. The Flamingo Sanctuary is a spot where you can admire the flamingos in their natural environment. On rainy days, the majestic pink birds congregate in the Salina St. Marie. They congregate on the salt flats of the southern side of the road heading towards Playa Portamare. Flamingos eat high amounts of algae, brine fly larvae, and brine shrimp, which causes them to be pink. The pinker, the more healthy the bird. Klein Knipp is a beautiful, pristine, and family-friendly small sandy beach and lagoon. The crystal clear waters are warm year-round, which makes it ideal for snorkeling. The nickname for this beach is the natural swimming pool because it is very shallow for a long ways out, has great snorkeling, and it is crystal clear. The beach is surrounded by rocky cliffs, which is used for cliff diving. I hope you enjoyed my tour of Curacao. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. We'll see you the next time.